Namaste student. Today's our topic is maintenance of children and aged infirm parents under section 20 of the Act. Not merely the father but mother is also under a legal obligation to maintain son or illegitimate son. Maintenance of dependents section 21 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act deal with the rights of the dependents of the deceased to claim maintenance from the heir of the deceased. Section 21 defines dependents from the purpose of which this chapter. Dependents means the following relatives of the deceased: his or her father, his or her mother, his widow, so long as she does not remarry, his or her son or the grandson or great grandson, so long as he is a minor, provided and to the extent that he is unable to obtain maintenance. In the case of a grandson from his father or mother estate, and in the case of a great grandson from the estate of his father or mother, or father's father or father's mother, his or her unmarried daughters or the unmarried granddaughters or the unmarried great granddaughter, so long as they remain unmarried, provided and to the extent that she is unable to obtain maintenance. In the case of a granddaughter from her father's mother's estate, and the case of a great granddaughters from the estate of her father or mother's or father's father or father's mother, his widow daughter, provided and to the extent that she is unable to obtain maintenance. Number 1, from the estate of her husband. Number 2, from her son or daughter if any, or his or her estate. Or number 3, from her father-in-law or his father, or in the estate of either of them. Any widow of his son or grandson, so long as she does not remarry, provided and to the extent that she is unable to obtain maintenance from her husband's estate or from her son or daughter, if any, or his or her estate, or in the case of a grandson widow, also from her father-in-law estate, his or her minor illegitimate son, so long as he remains a minor, his or her illegitimate daughter, so long as she remains unmarried. Maintenance of dependents section 22. The heirs of a deceased Hindu are bound to maintain the dependent of the deceased out of the estate inherited by them from the deceased. A person having concubine and he himself dying after the act combined into force would confer a right to maintenance upon the concubine where no property is inherited by the brothers from their father. They cannot be compelled to contribute for the marriage of their sister, but there is no maintenance from the estate of the husband or from her son or daughter. Such Hindu widow is to be taken as dependent of the father-in-law under this section, as section 19 would not be having its applicable to such a case. Amount of maintenance section 23 of the Act provides the amounts of maintenance which is a person entitled to shall be the discretion of the court to determine whether any, and if so what maintenance shall be awarded under the provision of this Act. The amount payable by way of maintenance depends on the facts of each case, and as such no exception could be taken to the amount fixed by the trial court, as well as the date from which the maintenance could be claimed. The amount maintenance, whether fixed by a decree court or by agreement either before or after the commencement of this Act, may be altered subsequently if there is a material change in the circumstances justify such alteration. Maintenance, when it to be charged, a dependent's claim to maintenance under this Act shall not be a charge on the estate of the deceased or any portion thereof, unless one has been created by the will of the deceased by a decree of the court, by agreement between the dependent and the owner of the estate or portion, or otherwise. Effect of transfer of property on right to maintenance, where a dependent has a right to receive maintenance out of an estate, and such estate or any part thereof its transfer, the right to receive maintenance may be enforced against the transferee if the transferee has notice of the right or the transfer is gracious but not against the transferee for consideration and without notice of the right. Thank you so much.